Instructions. There is the fancy instruction. Okay, so I got my AAA battery and going to go ahead and put it there. This comes off the cover. Put this in. There you go. Now it's on. And I'm hitting the buttons. So now you've got the start stop. So if I press the start, it's going to go. If I press stop, it's just going to stop. If I want to clear it, just press both buttons together. If I want to do a countdown timer, let's see, 5 seconds, start. And I really like the display. It's nice and big. And you can hear it's got a nice loud beeping sound. Just press the start stop button, and then if you want, again, you can just clear it out. So really nice. It's very nice and light. It's great for also for people that might have vision issues, and also being in the kitchen and you want to walk into, when you walk back into the kitchen, if you stepped away, you can easily see that timer from a distance. So it looks great. Let's go ahead, put it on the refrigerator, see how it looks there. All right, here we go. Okay, so let's put it